Welcome to day number 11 of Woodworker Express's Holiday Gift Guide. This holiday season, give your loved one the gift of fingers. That's right, say goodbye to emergency room visits with all 10 fingers. Thanks to the revolutionary design of SawStop. As soon as the blade touches the woodworker, the saw blade goes from 4,000 RPM to 0 pretty much instantly, and at the same time drops down into the saw. This all happens in less than 5 milliseconds, 10 times faster than a car's airbag, all without damaging the saw. Who wants hot dogs? And there are many models available to fit everyone's budget. Woodworker Express, helping you give great gifts. Jazz hands.